of the biggest cultural differences between the United States and Norway is the breakfast aisle or the cereal aisle in grocery stores. Check this out. See, I'm here right now. Okay, look. Right here. That's it. That's all there is. And it even looks like there's more cereal than there is because you have 1, 2, 3, 4 when it could really just be 2, but they're just low on things, so they're kind of spacing them out a little bit to make it seem like there's more, but you know, there's only 1 box here. As you can see, Norway doesn't have like sugary cereals at all. Like none of that Captain Crunch and Lucky Charms. You got cornflakes, wheat rings. This, I've actually never had that. I hope that's sugary. I don't know if it is. Someone has to tell me. Kellogg Smacks. Now, these are not sugary at all. I might have a controversial opinion about these Oreos, but I don't think they should be in Norway because these are meant to be a super, super sugary, unhealthy, like crazy cereal, right? And Norway is not going to do that. They're not going to do that to their citizens, not going to do that to the country. So it's like, then I don't think they should be here because if you're not going to make them super sugary, there's really no point because you can't make them healthy. That's impossible. So what you have here is that, to me, my opinion, to me, these Oreos, they're like cardboard because, you know, I'd rather just eat like Cheerios because they don't taste the way they should. And I'm not here to say the sugary cereal is better. Sugary cereal definitely is not better. I'm just saying you go 30 years one way and you switch over. Now you don't know what anything tastes like because you just had sugar your whole life. I mean, America, we got probably like, I don't know, like 20 different kinds of Cheerios. I don't even know what the Cheerios we have anymore. Here, just regular and multigrain. And that's it. So this is a Norwegian cereal. Boom. It's probably definitely not good to have 2,000 choices of sugary cereals that are really all just the same thing with different colors. But I don't know, that's just a difference, something I noticed. And I was like, the cereal aisle is very small. But you know what? You shouldn't even really eat cereal for breakfast anyway, you know? Have some toast, have some eggs, have something else.